This awesome tropical oasis in Connors, at the heart of Vanderbilt Beach, is truly a boater's paradise. Dock your boat off your lanai and enjoy easy access to the Gulf of Mexico. There is even a boat lift. The 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pool home is ready for you to enjoy. But wait, this home has options. It can be easily remodeled or replaced with the home of your dreams, used as a second home, or has great income potential for seasonal or annual rental. One of the best features of this property is no association fees, no CDD, no application fees. Just yes, a real beauty with loads of potential. Within walking distance to the beautiful sandy beaches, the Ritz Carlton world-renowned hotel, and minutes to North Naples' mecca of fabulous dining and shopping. Don't wait, see it today.